Hi, my name is Zito. I make custom hats in my workshop in Oceanside, California. Yeah, so I chose hat making in the traditional kind of Western style because these hats are meant to be multi-generational. They're intended to be passed down, and when we're using these high quality fur felts, they'll last somewhere up to 200 years. And so I believe that the amount of time that I spend on each hat is directly reflected in how long they're going to last. And it's really important to me to do things that are long-lasting and reusable. So choosing tools and materials for me is really actually pretty simple. I have a standard for myself that is only doing the best thing possible. So a lot of what drives my techniques, my tools, my material selection is just the idea that I only want to offer the best in the world. And so when I'm selecting anything for my hat making, that's always kind of at the forefront of my mind. Yeah, so I actually wear a Nixon watch pretty much every day at work. I don't like to check my phone when I'm working. It takes me out of the creative flow, but I do need to kind of keep an eye on the time for different appointments, for managing my apprentices, and so having the ability to just quickly glance while I'm in the middle of sewing or in the middle of blocking a hat and check what time it is, it's invaluable to me. I wouldn't be able to work without it, actually.